Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to blur background image in Figma. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now to be able to add a background image into your frame, you simply going to select your frame first as you can see here, and then go over here on the design on the right side, and then click on your color over here. In this section, you're going to select the solid option over here, and then you're going to see the option to add an image. You're simply going to click on image, and then you're going to select your image over here. For example, we're going to use this dog as an example. Going to wait for it to upload, and just like that, we have our dog over here. Now, to be able to blur this, what we're going to do is select our frame once again, and look over here on the effects. Click on effects over here, and then choose from the option, choose the layer blur, and you will be able to blur your background image over here, just like this. And it's not a bit obvious, but as you can see, when you zoom in, you will be able to see that it is indeed blurred. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.